cetrizine, levocetrizine. What a wonderful anti-allergic medicine. Antihistaminic tablet.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
No contraindications. Usually no side effects. Any allergic problem, cold, itching in the body, this is a wonderful medicine. Don't think of side effects.
Okay.
Usually I said no side effects, except if you're driving, avoid this medicine, or else you may feel drowsy. You may meet with an accident.
Oh my God.
If your exam is there, if you study in the night time, you will feel sleepy, drowsy. You may miss your exam. You will not perform well in the exam. That's it. Pregnant lady, old person, anyone can take anti-allergic medicine, cetrizine, levocetrizine. What a wonderful drug, my friends. Thank you very much.